Hey, this is Mom Joyce Aquino and I'm going to show you how to clean bathrooms and toilets. Step 1 is to prepare and gather only the supplies, tools, and materials. Step 2 is for you to wear PPE and PPC. Okay, so this is my apron and face mask, my waterproof shoes, okay, already wearing hairband, and of course the rubber gloves. And then step 3 is for you to knock on the door at least 3 times with your knuckles to notify if there's a person inside and announce housekeeping. Then switch on the light and exhaust fan. Okay. Open the window if there is and the shower curtain. Okay. And then bring out soil towels. And the portable toiletries, vanities, and amenities. And then bring out the trash bin. Empty the trash. Clean it and replace the nylon. Starting with the ceiling using the cobwebber from the farthest corner to the nearest door, at least once a week. Splash water outside the toilet bowl, flush inside, and then soak with toilet bowl cleaner. And disinfectants. With all-purpose scrubbing powder. And leave for a while. Next is the tiled walls. Soapy sponge soak in the water with all-purpose scrubbing powder. Diluted with all-purpose scrubbing powder. Sideways motion. And if there are stubborn dirts, I'm going to use the scouring pad part and circular motion. Then I'm going to use the scouring pad, the grouting brush, for the grouts. Rinse the wall. For makeup room or MUR, you're going to use damp rag and dry. During checkout rooms, you may rinse the wall by splashing water, then dry. After cleaning the tiled walls, then you have to clean the cabinets. Okay, since this is made of wood, then I'm going to just wipe it with dry rag. If there are chrome handles, you have to polish it with metal polishers. Okay? So I'm going to clean the mirror. Spray glass cleaner at a distance to maintain shower-like effect. spread using this sponge part in circular motion, and then use the rubber blade to scrape excess water and wipe it on your lead-free rag. Hagod pahit punas motion. Hagod pahit punas. And just repeat the same procedure until the whole mirror is already spot clean. And then clean the corners. Next is I'm going to clean the lavatory. So splash water. Sprinkle with all-purpose scrubbing powder. Use another sponge to clean the chrome fixtures like the top and the faucet and the insides of the lavatory, and then outside use the scouring pad part. And then rinse by splashing water. And dry outside only. The sides and the outside part. Clean the shower curtain using dry rag and damp rag on each hand, and clean both sides at the same time. In downward motion, and slowly spread it out. And then do the same on the other side. And when you're done, then hang the curtain. Next, I'm going to clean the bathtub. Splash water. And then, sprinkle with all-purpose scrubbing powder. Use the remaining soapy water and another sponge. Soak into your dipper. Okay, reminder, never ever step inside. And then, rinse by splashing water. Don't forget to clean the head shower, the shower head, the faucet, and the tap water dispenser. Okay. And then, remove the stopper to drain it and dry. Next, clean the outside part. Okay. Soapy sponge first, sideways motion, unless there is a spot, dirt spot. So use the scrubbing pad in circular motion, and use the grouting brush to clean the dirts and mildews. Okay. Rinse using damp rag and dry. Let's go back to the toilet bowl soap earlier. So, scrub the water tank, the seat cover, and the lid using the sponge part and the scouring pad for the trunk. And inside, use the toilet bowl soap. Don't forget to rinse it first before you put it back to the stand. Splash water inside, outside. To rinse the water tank, cover in the rim and flush inside to rinse it for the second time. And then dry. The floor. Splash the remaining soapy water. Scrub using the push brush or hand brush. You can use the floor wiper to this. And then done. Next is I'm going to replace and replenish all the portable amenities, toiletries, and vanities. And replace the soiled towel with clean towels, new set of clean towels. Then, okay, flush the toilet bowl for the last time. Spray water-based air freshener. Don't forget to bring back the garbage to the inside. And then inspect the bathroom for the last time. Spread the shower curtain and close the windows. Disinfect the seat cover. Switch off the light and the exhaust fan. Okay. Don't forget if your window, you have to leave it slightly open. And close the door. Disinfect the doorknob and place doormat or foot rug to indicate that it's ready for use. Thanks for watching. See you here in Overseas Academy.